what's up and welcome back to your video. अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज मैं ट्राई करूँगी चॉकलेट केक की रेसिपी और अगर ये सही निकले एंड में तो फिर आपको ये वीडियो यूट्यूब पे मिलेगी और आप लोग ये ज़रूर ट्राई करना। Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to your video. Today I'm going to be trying a chocolate cake recipe, and if it's successful, you guys are going to be getting this on YouTube, so keep on watching. For this amazing recipe, इस रेसिपी के लिए हमें चाहिए Bilal, come. Hi. So you want to tell the recipe or should I go?
You go.
Alright. इस रेसिपी के लिए हमें चाहिए. For this recipe, we are going to be needing 2 cups powdered sugar, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 or 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 or 3/4 cup maida, 1 or 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 eggs, 2 अंडे, 1 cup दूध, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, आधा cup oil, 2 teaspoon vanilla extract and 2 teaspoon vanilla extract, और 1 cup उबलता हुआ पानी and 1 cup of boiling hot water. So let's get started with this recipe. हमें इस recipe
Stop. Wait a minute. You forgot to tell that this egg has to be room temperature.
Oh,
and
yeah.
BTW, this is vlog 1, episode 1, season 1, I guess.
Okay, तो पहले हमें इस रेसिपी के लिए सारी चीज़ों को flour में mix करना है. So the first thing we have to do is mix everything.
Let's start with this sugar.
Into the flour. Sure, go ahead.
You have to put all of it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Now this is gonna be one good cake.
Are you- 2 cups.
That's a lot.
Then we have the salt, namak,
Let's get started.
baking soda, then baking powder,
Two room temperature eggs,
the milk,
be careful. What's this?
this vanilla extract.
Okay.
So vanilla extract, oil,
I'm like, what's this?
oh yeah, forgot about the cocoa powder. Where's the cocoa powder?
Now I look
And the cocoa powder. Alright, so that's out. And last but not least, the water. अब हम last पानी डालेंगे.
This is really hot water, so if you're under 10 years old, then ask your adult to do it.
Yeah, and be very careful. तो अब हम इसको mix करने रखेंगे और बस हम इसको mix करेंगे. We're just gonna let this mix now.
And then there's going to be this.
Our batter तैयार हो गया. Our batter is now ready. और अब हम अपने active fryer को oil करेंगे. अगर आपके पास active fryer नहीं है तो फिर आप इसको oven में भी bake कर सकते हैं या आप home oven में भी कर सकते हैं. मगर अभी के लिए मैं active fryer यूज़ कर रही हूँ. मैं इसको oil से brush करूँगी, मगर आप butter भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So our batter is now ready, and I am just brushing some oil into my active fryer, but you can use butter as well. And if you don't have an active fryer, you can use an oven or a home oven, but you know it's easier for me to use the active fryer. And if you can also, instead of using butter or oil, you can also put butter paper. So now this is done. I'm gonna pour in our batter.
When you're oiling the active fryer, you have to also do the sides. That's big. One big cake.
So I'm just going to take the rest of it out. Teamwork is dream work.
I'm holding it, you're scraping it out.
Barely. So now that that's done, now we're going to cook this for 40 minutes. So it's on, and we put it on cake mode. 40 minutes on medium-low heat, and that starts now. तो हम इसको 40 minutes के लिए medium-low heat पे आँच पर में डाल रहे हैं, और जब ये cook हो जाएगा हम तब मिलते हैं. 40 minutes are over, and let's have a look at this amazing cake. It smells awesome over here. 3, 2, 1, ta-da! Oh my god, it has risen so much. It was like literally, it was first here, and now it's like this high. So let's do the toothpick test, the final reveal. 3, 2, 1. Dun, 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 dun. 3, 2, 1. Is it cooked? Perfectly clean. It is ready. Okay, let's do another one. Well, this is so soft. ये इतना अच्छा केक बना है, और ये पूरा कुक हुआ है, और ये राइस भी डबल हुआ है, और बहुत चिप्स में इसमें टूथपिक डाल रही थी, तो फिर ये डबल साइड में है. तो नाउ अब मैं इसको बाहर निकालूंगी. Now I'm just gonna try this. 3, 2, 1.
Come on, dude!
This is amazing. ये बहुत अच्छा, और ये सॉफ्ट है, इट्स मॉइस्ट, और जैसे आपको डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स टेस्ट कर सकते हो, कोको पाउडर का, शुगर का, और वनीला एक्सट्रैक्ट भी डालती है, उसका भी बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट है. You can literally taste each flavor in it. You can take the vanilla extract, the cocoa powder, the powdered sugar. It tastes amazing. It's soft, it's moist, it's everything that a cake needs. And while it was baking, it doubled in size, and it's amazing!
From here to there.
Yeah, so if you guys do try this recipe, tell me in the comments down below, and give this video a big thumbs up. If you want to keep on watching more baking videos, tell me in the comments down below too. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! तो अगर आपको ये रेसिपी अच्छी लगी, आप मुझे नीचे कमेंट्स में बताएं, और इस वीडियो को बिग थम्स अप दें. और अगर आपको ऐसी और बेकिंग वीडियोस देखनी है, तो आप मुझे वो भी नीचे बताएं कमेंट्स में. और इस वीडियो को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करें, और मुझे इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक और ट्विटर पे फॉलो, टिकटॉक पे फॉलो करें. Bye!
Make sure this video is 100,000 million